I started out with the flute, and I had lessons in classical Western music, and I still like to play chamber music. And when I was 24, I also, from the beginning, big love to improvised music. It's called improvised music, free music, or also I prefer the term of instant composition, because you don't. And I like it because it reflects life. You start on a point, and you think that you know where you're going, but maybe not. Most likely not. So, but if you have some tools, you can finish something, but it maybe goes to another place than what you had been thinking. So by the time I was 24 and I played with people, I realized I didn't have the money to buy me microphone and things like that. And I thought, when I play with people, nobody hears what I'm doing, and I can't control anything. I can't influence the music in any ways because nobody hears me. I thought, I have to do something. And that's when I got my first saxophone. And then I got some grants to study at different jazz schools in France and Switzerland. Yeah, and since many years back, I love to collaborate with people from other cultures, other genres, and we have to meet a little bit in the middle because, of course, I'm not rooted in Hindustani music. I love it very much. The first time I listened to music from India was Ravi Shankar in the 70s. But since then, I have listened to many other people. And I've collaborated with rock musicians, jazz musicians, classical musicians, opera singers. And 2 years ago, Mitili was in Sweden together with Jataveda, Banerjee, and two more Indian musicians. And we did several shows, and we recorded the CD also. So it's thanks to Mitili that I'm sitting here now. The saxophone is a louder instrument than many others. If you all know why the saxophone is called a saxophone? No? Okay. In the end of 19th century, there was a man in Belgium, and his name was Adolf Sax. And he liked to build instruments. He built all kinds of instruments. But the one that was the most successful was the saxophone, the sound of Mr. Sax. Mm-hmm. And therefore it's called saxophone. And yeah, they come in different sizes. This is an alto. I find that it is the closest to the human voice. It takes some time to put it together. Sorry. And here comes the surprise. For the saxophone, it looks like it's a brass instrument, right? But it's not. It counts among the woodwind instruments. No. And then you can wonder why. This is because, obviously, you have to wet it so that it can vibrate. So brass instruments are only the instruments with an embouchure, like the trumpet, the trombone, the horn, and tuba and bassoon. Bassoon. No, bassoon is the wind. Woodwind also. Bass, tuba. Let's see. There's a sound. Shall we play something together or
No, first let us listen to you one piece.
one piece?
Then we can play something. Can you play something in D or A?
Oh, of course. D,
D?
major or minor?
Whichever.
It's a little different.
Major or minor, no problem.
Okay, minor.
Can you play a number from Kenny G?
Jan Gabrick.
Jan Gabrick.
No. But you can listen to them on YouTube. So,
I toured with Jan Gabrick in 2003.
Oh, fantastic. Oh, wow.
I played 8 concerts with him.
Nice. Wow.
He had one Norwegian tabla artist, I forget his name. It's really nice place. It's a very moody person. It's a very moody guy, Jan Gabrick.
All your geniuses
Some
are
days
like
he
that.
used to talk a lot, some days he used not talk at all.
All your geniuses are like that.
I don't know. I was a great fan of his, so when I got a chance to play with him, I was overawed. It's like fanboy types. I used to just keep looking at him and he's like, why are you looking at me like that? So I was like, okay, I can't believe I'm playing with somebody whom I've heard on so many years.
Wow.
He's not really thankful about that. Thank you so much. That was such a nice piece.
One for the road. One for the road.
One for the road, One for the road, then I'll play that.
Jugalbandi, please.
See, whenever the last song thing comes, I always play that piece called Wild Chase. And why I play it, because many years back, on 31st December night, I was playing for a party. Typically 31st December nights, people after 9 o'clock don't know who they are. And you have to play till 12:31. So I was so I was playing only classical. I used to play only classical that time. So this guy who was giving the paneer, who was passing the paneer around, he came to me and I looked at him for some feedback, like how is the concert going? And he gave me the saddest expression. Then I asked him also, like, kaisa lag raha hai? How is it going? He said, sir, it's like some minister passed away. Classical, because those days what used to happen in the classical concert used to put on Doordarshan. Whenever a minister passed away, they used to play, and that was the impression of classical that people had, that oh, some minister must have gone today. So he said like that, like it's sounding like that only. So I was like, what are you saying? I'm like feeling so much of passion. No, it's sounding the same. So play something fast, then it will be maybe think. So I played something fast. So when that incident happened, that moment I created this composition called Wild Chase. It's super fast composition. So play as fast as possible. And then I played, and I thought that now he will come with all appreciation, he'll give me some extra paneer and all. But he just came with the same expression again. And then I asked him, like, what happened? How was this? Sounding the same, sir. I said, this is so fast here, it is so fast I played. What? No, it's... Then I said, okay, what do you want me to play? Very innocently I asked him, like, what do you want me to play? He said, "Tu cheez badi hai, mast." So that day I understood in life that speed is a relative thing. I thought I played something so fast that he's going to be my fan and all. Nothing. He said, "Tu cheez badi hai, mast." If you can play, you play that. So I just played Tu cheez badi hai, mast, and he was very happy. He gave me some extra paneer and he went. So this composition was born out of that situation. So yeah, I mean, it's a fast composition, you can listen to yourself. But after this, he told me to play two cheese badi hai mast.
You can do it.
No, I won't play two cheese badi mast. No.
He was selling paneer.
I'm just
eating paneer outside,
thinking
cheese
about the
paneer.
philosophy that how fast was this and how fast is two cheese badi hai mast. But everybody's understanding of speed is different. That day I learned that somebody says play fast doesn't mean that they'll understand what is fast. But it's slow piece. It's technically very slow.
Yeah.
But the understanding of people is like that. So according to him, it was an entertaining and a wonderful piece. Sir, ये बजाओ sir. बाकी सब क्या बकवास बजा रहे थे? So anyway, means I'm so happy that all of you have come and it's such a great beginning. I feel. I'm only saying my concert is great. Imagine. So means I'm very happy that we are also able to do such interesting things. Like it turned out to be a global concert. Interesting. Started with Malaysia, but we went all over the world and came back. And a big congratulations to Sarita, and many more concerts like this should happen. And a big congratulations to all the wonderful audiences who have been missing so many other things and coming and waiting for this. Anything else?
Thank you, Prakash, Chaitra, Karthik, Diggy. I think it's been absolutely phenomenal to have them perform here, and the impromptu I think was really nice. A big thank you to all of you for coming over and being part of this. Hopefully we'll be seeing a lot of you again and again. Okay. Thank you again.
We just
Dinner is served, there's no paneer, sorry. This is overwhelming. I mean, we're really, really happy that we've had this kind of response, and I think you will be on our mailer list for the future concerts.
Thank you so much. Dinner, please.
Yes, dinner is-
Where's the dinner?
Yes.
I was telling my son, phone money, he's coming back from the airport. He loves guitar basically. Miss ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯೋ ಸಕ್ಕರ್ miss ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ that fusion of jazz and it's not a come see, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. It's live.